So just a brief look at the Pocket Communicator from Gus. This is the wallet speaker. This is one of our options. We also have called a speaker case that you can get. But let's take a look at the unit with the wallet speaker to begin with. You open it up. It's all black leather case. Looks very nice. And on the left here we have our speaker. On the right we have our Pocket PC. If I turn it on, there's our screen pops up. And by the way, this screen is as bright or brighter in the bright sunlight as it is in an office or a house, so you don't have to worry about it being hard to see when you go outside. You simply can select from here. Now I'm showing a grid of 5 by 5 buttons, and these are the smallest targets you can make. You could make a grid 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 if you want to make these bigger, or if you wanted to put pictures or symbols on these buttons, which you can do as well. This example I'm showing right now, we just have text on the buttons, but of course you could put symbols, digital photographs, or whatever you want. The system comes with 5,500 communication symbols as well. Okay, so as I touch on my screen here.
How's life? How are you? How have you been?
That sounds nice. That's the Neil speech synthesizer. So I can create my own. This is a sample that's already set up. It's called Z sample. If you want to find that, you click on File, Load User, and here's the 3 samples that are already built into the system, and I chose Z sample. You can create your own pages and grids with your own phrases and so on, so you can make it customized for yourself or someone that you're using it for.
Great, thanks.
Now these are pre-saved words and phrases based on categories. You can see I have different categories in this sample set up: restaurant, business, greetings, goodbyes, and so on. Now if I want to say something spontaneous or add to something I've already said and I don't have it on a button, I can click here and this brings up our on-screen keyboard. Now this is a really interesting on-screen keyboard. I think you'll really like it. It has some intelligence built into it, which is nice. So if I was going to start typing here and saying hello, and if I start by typing H-E, as you see I'm typing, the letters are showing up just above my fingers, so I have kind of a visual confirmation of what I'm typing. And I'll hit space. Now I'll type a word here, the word there, and I'll purposely misspell it as if I was typing fast and I kind of missed one of my keys. And you'll see what I did there. I typed T-H-W-R-E, and it's already figured out that there is probably the word you want. So when I hit the space key, it automatically corrected that word. And I can hit my speak button.
Great, thanks.
Or I can
Hello there.
Yeah, so there you have it. I can go back, choose numbers, characters. I can take that keyboard off the screen. So what I have here is pre-saved words and phrases, and if I want to create something spontaneously, I click here and it brings my keyboard up, and it types into here. Yet I can still have access to my pre-recorded pages and so on.